Gentlemen, if you're over 50 and have started noticing that your drive, stamina, or confidence isn't what it used to be, you are certainly not alone. Many men reach a point in life where their bodies feel slower, their energy dips, and their performance, both physically and intimately, seems to fade. It can be frustrating, even discouraging, to feel like something that was once effortless now takes more effort than ever. But here's the truth. What most men don't realize is that there's a small, often overlooked spot on your body that, when gently massaged for just 1 minute a day, can naturally help restore blood flow, improve your energy levels, and reignite your sense of vitality, without pills, injections, or complicated routines. I'm Dr. Ava Clark, and in today's video here on Senior Strong Health, I'll be walking you through exactly how this 1-minute massage works, why it's effective, and how you can safely perform it at home. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple daily habit that supports stronger circulation, improved confidence, and renewed energy, the natural way. As we get older, one of the biggest hidden reasons behind declining potency isn't always low testosterone, stress, or even diet. It's poor blood circulation, especially to the lower pelvic region. When you were younger, your arteries and capillaries were flexible and elastic, allowing blood to move freely throughout your body. But as the years go by, those blood vessels start to stiffen and narrow due to plaque buildup, lack of movement, or prolonged sitting. The result is that less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach key areas, including the muscles and tissues responsible for performance and stamina. This restricted flow not only affects intimate function, but also influences your energy levels, bladder control, and overall mood. The good news is, by focusing on improving circulation, not just hormones, you can make a significant difference in how your body responds and performs. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. There's a specific nerve cluster located right behind your knee, known as the popliteal fossa. It might not look important, but this small region is a critical junction for blood vessels and nerves that connect your lower legs to your pelvic area. When this area is gently stimulated or massaged, it sends a signal to your nervous system to relax and expand the blood vessels, improving circulation from the legs upward. Think of it as opening up a traffic jam in your body. Once that pathway clears, everything starts moving more freely again. This is why a simple 1-minute massage in this spot can have such a noticeable effect on your body's energy and responsiveness. Your circulatory system works much like a network of interconnected garden hoses. When everything is new and flexible, water, or in this case, blood flows smoothly. But as the hoses age, they begin to kink and stiffen, restricting the flow. The muscles and nerves behind the knee act like a control valve for your lower body. When you press or massage this region, it activates the tibial nerve and stimulates blood flow through the femoral and pudendal arteries, the main channels that deliver oxygen and nutrients to the pelvic area. Scientific studies have shown that stimulating this area can help relax arterial walls, lower blood pressure in the legs, and enhance nutrient exchange in the pelvic muscles. In essence, this simple movement encourages your body to open up its natural energy highways, keeping your circulation smooth and strong. So how can you locate this spot and apply the technique correctly? Start by sitting comfortably in a chair or on your bed. Bend one knee slightly so it forms a relaxed angle. Now, place your fingers on the back of your knee and feel for a soft hollow area. That's your popliteal fossa. It's located right between the two tendons that run along the back of your thigh. That's where you'll be applying gentle pressure. Do this on both legs. Now let's go through the step-by-step routine. First, rub your hands together for about 10 seconds to warm them up. Warm hands immediately help stimulate blood flow and make the massage more effective. Once your hands are ready, place your thumbs behind your knee in the soft area you just located. Begin by pressing gently in small circular motions for 30 seconds. Don't rush. Move slowly and evenly, allowing the warmth of your hands and the pressure of your thumbs to relax the tissue beneath the skin. After 30 seconds, switch to using your fingertips to lightly tap the same area for another 30 seconds. This tapping motion is a gentle stimulation technique that activates surface nerves and promotes circulation through the deeper vessels. You may start to feel a mild tingling or warming sensation. That's a good sign. It means your body is responding and blood flow is improving. For even better results, pair this massage with deep breathing exercises. As you massage, inhale deeply through your nose for about 4 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth for another 4. Deep breathing activates your body's relaxation system, known as the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps open up blood vessels and allows oxygen-rich blood to flow more efficiently. It also reduces stress, one of the silent killers of male vitality. Now, you may be wondering how soon you'll notice results. Everyone's body responds differently, but many men report feeling noticeable improvements in as little as 1 to 2 weeks. You might feel that your legs stay warmer, your body feels lighter, and you move with more ease. Over time, this improved blood flow translates into better stamina, more stable energy levels throughout the day, and even more confidence in your performance. It's not magic, it's physiology. When you restore healthy blood circulation, your body naturally performs better in all areas. To make your progress faster and more lasting, support this massage with a few additional lifestyle habits. Hydration is key. Your blood is mostly water, so when you're dehydrated, it becomes thicker and moves more slowly. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Physical activity is equally vital. Even a short 10-minute walk after meals helps your blood vessels stay elastic. Regular movement signals your heart and arteries to stay active and flexible. Also, mind your diet. Too much salt causes your blood vessels to constrict, and too much processed sugar damages their lining. Replace sugary snacks with fruits like oranges or berries that contain antioxidants, which help strengthen your arteries. Foods rich in magnesium and zinc, like pumpkin seeds, spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate, also support vascular health and male hormones. And don't forget about foods high in nitric oxide, such as beets, garlic, and leafy greens. They naturally open up your blood vessels and enhance circulation throughout the body. Now let's talk about what not to do. Avoid sitting for long periods without moving. Sitting for hours compresses blood vessels behind your knees, the same area you're trying to activate. Every hour or so, stand up, stretch your legs, and take a short walk. You'll be amazed at how this simple change can boost your daily energy. A quick but important caution: don't press too hard or for too long during the massage. The popliteal fossa contains delicate blood vessels and nerves, so firm but gentle pressure is enough. If you have varicose veins, blood clots, knee injuries, or diabetes-related nerve damage, consult your doctor before starting this or any massage routine. Let me share a story that might encourage you. A 68-year-old patient of mine named Harold came to me feeling frustrated and tired. He said, "Dr. Clark, I just feel like I've lost my spark." He had tried supplements, exercise routines, even prescription options, but nothing worked long-term. I taught him this exact 1-minute massage and asked him to perform it twice a day, morning and night, while adding a short evening walk and better hydration. After 3 weeks, Harold walked into my office looking 10 years younger. He told me, "I feel more alive. My energy's back. My confidence is back." His blood pressure improved, his leg circulation was better, and his overall outlook on life had completely changed. That's the power of small, consistent action. This isn't a miracle cure, it's your body's natural intelligence at work. When you give it the right stimulation, your body knows exactly how to restore balance. You're simply reminding your circulatory system to do what it was designed to do, deliver life and energy to every part of you. You might ask, how long should I continue doing this? My answer is simple: make it part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. A 1-minute massage, once or twice a day, is all you need to keep the benefits going. You'll find that the longer you practice it, the more responsive your body becomes. Think of it as maintenance for your vascular system. Just like your car runs better with regular oil changes, your body functions better when blood flow is kept smooth and steady. Another common question is whether you can do this while standing. The answer is yes, but sitting down gives your muscles more freedom to relax, allowing better access to the spot behind your knee. Some men even prefer lying down, which can make the massage feel more soothing. Can you use oil or lotion? That's optional. A small amount of olive, coconut, or even sesame oil can make the movement smoother and add a layer of warmth. These natural oils, also nourish the skin and support blood circulation. You may also wonder if this technique is safe for men with diabetes or high blood pressure. Generally, yes, it can be beneficial because it promotes circulation. However, if you have severe varicose veins or blood clotting issues, check with your healthcare provider first. Now, let's touch briefly on something that often gets overlooked: the mind-body connection. When circulation improves, your mood and confidence also improve. That's because better blood flow means more oxygen reaches your brain, helping you think clearer and feel more energized. Men often notice that their focus and motivation return along with their physical performance. It's all connected. Another patient, Mr. Lee, age 72, told me after a month of doing this massage, "I don't just feel better physically, I feel calmer and happier." His words reminded me how powerfully the body and mind work together. By improving circulation, you're not just helping your physical health, you're supporting your emotional well-being too. This simple massage also has a detoxifying effect. When you stimulate the area behind your knees, you help lymphatic drainage, which removes waste and toxins from the body. That's why many people notice less swelling in their legs and ankles after practicing it regularly. Over time, this contributes to better overall mobility, stronger legs, and even better sleep. Think of this 1-minute routine as your daily circulation reset. It's simple, safe, and something anyone can do. You don't need expensive devices, gym memberships, or medications. Just your hands, a few minutes, and consistency. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key steps once more. Sit comfortably and locate the soft hollow behind your knee, the popliteal fossa. Warm your hands by rubbing them together. Use your thumbs to gently massage the area in circular motions for 30 seconds. Use your fingertips to lightly tap for another 30 seconds. Breathe deeply throughout, focusing on slow inhales and exhales. Repeat on the other leg. Do this once in the morning and once at night. That's it, just 1 minute per leg. Over time, you'll notice improved warmth in your legs, better energy, and more stability in your overall vitality. Gentlemen, aging does not mean losing your strength or your spark. It simply means learning how to take care of your body more wisely. Your body is incredibly capable of recovery at any age, it just needs the right signal. This 1-minute massage sends that signal every single day. So start today. Do it while you're watching TV, before bed, or when you wake up in the morning. You'll be amazed at how such a small action can create such big results. This is Dr. Ava Clark, thanking you for joining me here on Senior Strong Health. Remember, your body is always working for you. Treat it kindly, keep your circulation flowing, and you'll continue to feel strong, confident, and full of life, no matter your age. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to Senior Strong Health, and tap the notification bell so you never miss more practical, natural tips designed to keep you active, independent, and thriving. Stay consistent, stay positive, and never underestimate the power of simple habits. You're stronger than you think, and it's never too late to restore your vitality, 1 minute at a time.